Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Riazul Academy. This is a fifth week assignment, Mathematics 2 second assignment and class 7. So we can directly discuss about the activity question. Almost you will get here the 2 creative questions and 10 short questions. Now we can start our discussion about the creative question. First creative question is there: the Amin and Shazul are cloth businessmen and they reached in Naranganj by crossing distance 50 km in 4 hours and 52 whole 1/2 km in 3 whole 1/2 hours respectively, and they invested 2,20,000 taka and got 10% profit and distributed their profit a ratio according of their speed. So first question here, the determine the speed in 1 hour of Shazul, that means the per hour, and number second number, that is B number, find the ratio of speed of Amin and Shazul. There is the তাদের স্পিড অনুসারে তাদের রেশিওটা কত ছিল, and determine the profit of the Amin and Shazul. So let's the solution of it. So first thing is that they want to determine the speed in hour, that is a per hour speed কত ছিল Shazuler, that we can find here that this way the Shazul in 3 full 1/2, that's we can convert it into 3 to the 6 plus 1 7/2 hour. He can go 52 full 1/2 or 105/2 kilometer. Therefore in 1 hour he can go, there will the divided by the distance, so 1 divided by the hour, so 105/2 divided 7/2. Okay, here we can divide it, so we can divide it 105/2 multiple, after that it will be the denominator will be the numerator and numerator will be the denominator. So 2 divided by 2 one time, and 7 105 divided by 7 equal to 15, so 15 into 1, that is 15 kilometer. So per hour he can go 15 kilometer. This is the first number solution. Number B, find the ratio of speed of Amin and Shazul. তো তাদের স্পিডটা রেশিওটা বের করতে হবে। তো নাম্বার 2, from a speed of Shazul here the 15 km per hour. Again, Amin in 4 hours he goes 50 kilometer. In 1 hour he can goes 50/4 divided here the by 2, the 50 divided by 2, that is 25, as the 4 divided by 2, that the 2, that's 25/2 kilometer per hour. So speed of Shazul and speed of is to speed of Amin, so 25/2 is to 15. Here the multiple with 2, that is the multiple with 2, that's the divided by 2 and 2, that's you will get here the 25. Here the 2 into 15 equal to 30, and divided by also the 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. So here the speed of them, here the 5:6. That's the answer of 3 B. So now we can solve the C number question. Determine the profit of Amin and Shazul. So profit 10% and invested money has 2,20,000. Amount of profit here the 2,20,000 of 10%, here get here the 22,000, and we have to divide the ratio with the speed of the ratio. The speed of the ratio here the 5:6. So the ratio of the distribution of profit here the 5:6. Sum of the ratio 5 plus 6 equal to 11, and profit of Amin equal to 22,000 of 5 by 11. 11 is the summation of the ratio, 5 is the Amin's ratio. So 11 divided 22,000 divided by 11, there the 2,000 into 5 equal to 10,000, and profit of Shazal here the 22,000 of 6 by 11, and 6 is the Shazal's ratio and 11 is the total ratio, and 22 divided by 11, that is the 2,000. So 2,000 into 6 equal to 12,000. So the profit is there. Shazal is 10,000 and Amin is 10,000 and Shazal is 12,000. Now the creative question up to here the three algebraic fraction. So there's the first, second and third are the three algebraic fraction. First, the factorize the denominator of first fraction. Number B, determine the LCM of the denominator of first, second and third fraction. And number C, subtraction of first fraction from the sum of second and third fraction. So let the solution number 2A, denominator of first fraction here the a square plus a minus 2, a square plus a minus 2, here the middle term. So a square, and we can divide into it plus 2 minus a, that's also the plus a, and minus 2 is also same. So we can we can get here the common a, and a there the a plus 2 and minus 1, here the common is 1, there the a plus a minus a plus, that a plus 2, here the a plus 2 common, a plus 2 into a minus 1. Okay, number 2, determine the LCM of the denominators of first, second and third fraction. And the denominator of first fraction here the a plus 2, a minus 2, that we get from the a. Okay, denominator of second fraction here the a square plus 3a plus 2. Here also we get the middle term here the we have to divide the 3a, that is the we can divide into 2a plus a, that's also the 3a. So we can get here the a common, a plus 2 equal to a plus 2, then plus here the we can get here the common 1, so 1 here the get a plus 2 also. So a plus 2, that is a plus 2, a plus 1, that is a plus 1, and denominator of third fraction here the a square minus 1, that is we can use the formula a square minus b square. So that's why a plus 1 into a minus 1. So we can factorize it, and now the LCM of denominator of three fractions, and this the we can get the three fractions of it, because a plus 2 first thing, a plus 2 a minus 2, a plus 2 a minus 1, here the a plus 2 a plus 1, a plus 2 a plus 1, and third fraction here the a plus 1 a plus 1 a minus 1. There's the LCM three fraction denominators of the three fractions. And number C is the determine the subtraction of first fraction from the sum of the second and third fraction. Okay, from A and B, denominator of first fraction is, and determine the second fraction and third fraction. আমরা এখান থেকে থার্ড ফ্র্যাকশন ডিনোমিনেটরগুলো আগে ফ্যাক্টরাইজ করে নিয়েছি. So LCM of the denominator also three fraction is that's also get from the number B. Now second fraction plus third fraction minus first fraction, that's why the second fraction is that, third fraction is that, and first fraction is that. So we get here the denominator that we identify the here. So from that we can get here the a plus 2, a plus 1, a plus 1, a minus 1, that is and last the first fraction we get here the a divided a plus 2 into a minus 1, and LCM also we can get here also the LCM. So LCM is that a plus 2, a minus 1, a plus 1, that is we can get here also from the. So here if I divide it here, so a plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 1, that is we divide here, here we get here the a minus 1, so 2 into a minus 1. Here it is the same way we can get here the a plus 1 and a minus 1. We omitted it, or we can divide it. There we will get here the a plus 2, a plus 2, so a into a plus 2, and that's also the minus, and same way we can get here the a into a plus 2 1. So that's why after that we can multiply with it 2a minus 2, 2a minus 2 plus a square plus 2a minus a square minus plus minus minus a. So that's why a square plus a square minus, that is vanish. And another thing is that 2a plus 2a, that is 4a minus 1a, that is the 3a, and minus 2 also LCM is that also the same. So that's the answer here. So this is the solution of question number 2, and we have completed our 2 creative questions. Now we can discuss about the short questions. Here we will get the 10 short questions. So first short question is there, what is the difference between 2 miles and 3 kilometers in meter? So we have to convert it into meter, and let's see the solution number short question number 1. Difference between 2 miles and 3 kilometers. So here the 2 miles minus 3 kilometers, so the 2 miles equal to 2 into 1610, that is 1610 meter equal to 1 mile. So we have to multiply with 2, and that is also the converted into meter. And here the 3 kilometers, so we know also about the 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, so we have to multiply with 3. So 2 into 1610, there we will get here the 3220, here we will get here the 3 into 1000 equal to 3000. So that's the unit must be meters. So 33 minus from the 3000 minus from the 3220, here we will get here the 220 meters. And number 2, perimeter of one side of a cubic object is 12 meter, then what is its area? So we know here the length of a side of a cubic object is x. So this is the perimeter, that is the force 4 times. So we can divide it by 4. There we will get the one side of a cubic object. So TL divided by 4 meters, you will get here the 3 meters. So surface of the cubic object equal to x cube. So x equal to, that's a one side. We can get here the 3 meters, that's why 3 cube. So 3 cube we can convert it into, then we'll get here the 27 cubic meters. That is answer. And number 3, a glass contain 250 milliliter water. A pot completely fill up with 25 of that glasses, and how many liters of water contains of that pot? So we can start here from here. The one glass contains 250 milliliter, and therefore 250 glasses contain 250 into 25. Here we will get here the 6250 milliliter and 6,250 milliliter divided by 1000, because 1 liter equal to 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. That's why we have to divide it. Then we get here the 6.25 liters. Okay. And number 4, short question number 4. Every day in 8 hours sold the paddy, that is Saul, we call that here the on track by the government, that an average is our can be sold 280 kg 500 gram paddy. Then how many metric ton paddy can be sold in a day? Okay, বলা হয়েছে এখানে আমি you have to get your good concentration or good understand. I can say the about বাংলা যে প্রত্যেক দিন 8 ঘন্টা করে চাল বিক্রি করে সরকারি ব্যবস্থাপনায়, এবং তারা গড়ে প্রত্যেক ঘন্টায় 280 কেজি 500 গ্রাম বিক্রি করে। তাই যদি হয় তাহলে তারা একদিনে কত টন বিক্রি করে? আমাদের এখানে এটা টনে মেট্রিক টনে কনভার্ট করে দিতে হবে। Now we can start here. Number 4. In 1 hour sold 280 kg 500 gram paddy. So 280 kg plus 500 divided by 1000, because 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. So we can also get here the divided by it the 0.5. So 280 plus 0.5 equal to 280.5 kg. That's kg. So this is the 1 hour. So they sold it in 8 hours. So in 8 hours sold, there is a 1 hour sold amount multiple with by 8. Here get here the 2244 kg, and also divided by 2244 divided by 1000, because 1 metric ton equal to 1000 kg. So here we'll get here the 2.244 metric ton. Number 5. The width of your reading table is 2 feet and length is 1 full 1/2 times of width. So what's the area of the table? Table area ta jante chayche. So given width of the table is 2 feet and length equal to 2 into 1.5, that is the 1.5 feet. So we will multiple here we get here the 3 feet. So width is 2 feet and length is 3 feet. So area of the rectangular table, we know that the area of a rectangle equal to length into width. So length into width 3 into 6 3 into 2 equal to 6 square meter. Must be it will be square meter. Number 6. Mr. Chaudhary walks in the morning 4 times round of his rectangle shaped garden every day, and the length of his garden is double of its width. The length is 120 meters. So how many kilometers does he work in the morning? Okay, it's quite bigger than the another solution. Okay, given length of a garden is 120 meter and breadth equal to the half, that is the 120 divided by 2, that is the that is 60 meters. So perimeter of the garden, so parameter we know that the formula of parameter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So length equal to 120 and breadth will be 60. So 2 into 120 plus 60 equal to 180. So 2 into 180, here we will get here the 360 meters. So 1 time round, because he round it 4 times, so 1 time round the 360. So 1 time round of the garden 360 meter, Mr. Chaudhary, and 4 times of the garden here the 360 into 4. So 360 into 4 equal to 440 meters, and but you have to convert it into kilometer. So 440 divided by 1000, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. That's why we'll get here the 1.44 kilometer. Number 7. Anu has drawn a parallelogram in his copy and measured that its base 7.5. That is the base 7.5 and height is 4.25 centimeter. So what is the area of the parallelogram? So parallelogram area আমাদেরকে identify করতে হবে. Now we can get there. Given base of a parallelogram is 7.5 centimeter and height of the parallelogram is 4.25 centimeter. So area of the base into height. We know that the formula to identify the area base into height. The base here the 7.5 into 4.25, that is the must be square and also the centimeter. So by the multiplication we can get here 31.87 square centimeter. Okay, short question number 8. Short question number 8 is that the base of a triangle is 6 meter. Base of a triangle is 6 meter 50 millimeter, 6 centimeter and 50 millimeter, and height is 400 millimeter. Then what is the area of the triangle in centimeter? They are the millimeter, and centimeter. So we can solve this way. Base of the triangle is 6 centimeter 50 millimeter. So they wanted to know about the centimeter, so we can write here the convert it into the centimeter also. The 6 centimeter plus 50 centimeter here that is, we know that the 50 by 10 there, here we divided by get here the 5, because we know that the 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, that's why divided by the 10. So here the here we will get here the 6, here they get the 5. 6 plus 5 equal to 11 centimeter, and height of the triangle equal to 400 millimeter. So 400 millimeter divided by 10, because we know that again that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So here the when is the 0, that is will get the 40. So 40 centimeter. So base here the 11 centimeter, height here the 40 centimeter. Area of the triangle, we know that area of the triangle, the formula is there, the half into base into height. So base 11 and height will be 40. So multiple with the 11 into 40, 440, and divided by 2, there we will get here the 220 square centimeter. And number 9, converted into meter, that is the 7 kilometer 7 centimeter. So 7 we have to convert it into meter, that's why kilometer converted into meter, centimeter also the converted into meter. So 7 kilometer, that's the 7 into 1000, because we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, that's why 7 into 1000. And centimeter, we know also 10 centimeter equal to 1 meter, that's why 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, that's why we divided 7 by 100. So here we'll get it the 7000, here we'll get it the 0.07. So by the summation we get here the 7000.07 meter. And number 10, the question is the what is the part of the length between the North Pole and equator is called 1 meter. So 110 million part of the length from the North Pole to the equator. That's all. So this is the short question. 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 10, and solution was the given here. So thank you very much. once again, thank you to my channel, Riazul Academy, and if you are benefited from it, so you will be a subscriber of my channel, and also it will be share, and you will give me the like, and by this way we'll get the inspiration to make another video. And thank you very much once again. Assalamu alaikum.